Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to use Autopilot in your Tesla Cybertruck. Autopilot is a fantastic driver assistance feature designed to make highway driving more relaxed. To activate it, simply pull the stalk on the right side of your steering wheel down 2 times. You'll see an icon appear on your display, indicating that Autopilot is engaged. Remember, it works best when lane markings are clear and visible, providing a smoother experience for everyone on the road. One core component of Autopilot is traffic-aware cruise control. This intelligent system not only maintains your set speed, but also keeps a safe, adjustable distance from the car in front of you. You can easily modify this following distance by rotating the right scroll wheel on your steering wheel. It's incredibly convenient, as the system can even bring your Cybertruck to a complete stop in traffic and then resume driving automatically when the path clears. The second key part of Autopilot is Auto Steer. This feature actively helps steer your Cybertruck, keeping it centered within its detected lane. While it's a powerful assistant, it's crucial to remember that you must always keep your hands on the steering wheel. The system will provide both visual and audible alerts if it doesn't detect your hands, reminding you to stay engaged and ready to take over at any moment for safety. It's vital to understand that Autopilot is a driver assistance system, not an autonomous one. You, the driver, are always responsible for the safe operation of your Cybertruck. Always remain attentive and prepared to take full control, particularly in challenging driving conditions or when navigating complex intersections. Be aware that the system might disengage automatically in adverse weather, like heavy rain, or if lane markings become unclear, requiring your immediate attention.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.